Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to answer a super important question. When do we use regression, and when do we use classification in machine learning? Before we dive into machine learning tasks like regression and classification, let's take a moment to understand a key concept: independent and dependent variables. Let's look at a simple example: predicting house prices. In this scenario, we want to predict the price of a house based on certain characteristics. We call these characteristics independent variables, or features, represented by X. These are the inputs to our machine learning model. Some examples of independent variables in house price prediction might include the size of the house, the number of bedrooms, the age of the house, the number of bathrooms, whether it has a garage or a garden. On the other hand, the dependent variable is the value we're trying to predict, in this case, the house price. This is also called the target variable, and we usually represent it as Y. To summarize, the inputs, X, are independent variables. They explain or influence the outcome. The output, Y, is the dependent variable. It depends on the inputs. Let's look at this page. In machine learning, the type of target or output variable, also called Y, helps us decide whether we're doing regression or classification. 1. Regression, when the target is numerical. If the target variable is a numerical value, we use regression. This means we are predicting a number, often a continuous value. For example, predicting someone's height, estimating house prices, forecasting temperature. These are all continuous data. We can measure them. 2. Classification, when the target is categorical. But if the target variable is a category or a label, we use classification. Here, we're predicting which group or class something belongs to. For example, is this email spam or not? Is this image a cat or a dog? What type of product is this? Electronics, clothing, or food? Will the customer churn? Yes or no? These are categorical data, either nominal, like gender or color, or ordinal, like satisfaction level or rankings. So in summary, if the target variable is numeric, we use regression to predict a continuous value. If the target variable is categorical, we use classification to predict a category or label. It all depends on the type of data we're trying to predict. Understanding this difference is key to choosing the right machine learning approach. That wraps up today's session. If this video helped you understand the basics of regression and classification, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly data science content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.